Hi, it's Mike from Phase 1 DJ Store. New products I'd like to show you today. Man, I took this home when it first came in the shop and I can't stop playing with it. It's just fantastic. Brand new controller from Native Instruments. It's the Traktor Control Z1. What is it? Well, it's a MIDI controller. It's to use with Traktor. Little bit different this one though. It will work with Traktor too. You can plug this into your computer and use it as a MIDI controller for Traktor 2 and 2.5 and all the other versions of Traktor, and all the latest versions of Traktor. And it'll work great. But what I think this is great for is use with the Traktor app, which is for iPhone and iPad. Now, I downloaded the Traktor app a while ago and I thought, what a brilliant app. It's absolutely fantastic. What a piece of kit that is. Problem is I can't really use it because there was problems with me trying to cue it up with my headphones and output, and it's a bit fiddling, and as much as it was great, it just didn't work for me. Connect that to your iPad and use the Traktor app and it's just absolutely fantastic. In this video I'm going to show you how it connects up. I'm going to take some pictures, show you some close-ups, and we'll cut it up into bite-sized bits so we can get a feel for the whole unit. It's 2 channels. It's got headphone port on the front. It's got audio out, so it's got a built-in sound card. The sound quality on this is excellent. It's got a USB out, which this is used. It comes with a cable to connect it to your iPad, and there's a power supply as well. And the lovely thing about this is as well is when you plug this in and then connect it to your iPad, it charges your iPad as well, so you only need one power source. So what we'll do, let's get it hooked up. Right, so what we've done is we've connected it up to the iPad using the lead that comes supplied. So there's USB going out of there, connected to there. We've taken our audio source out and that's being fed off to some powered speakers, and we have got our power supply going in here. One of the great things is when you've got this plugged in here and that plugged in there, it's charging the iPad as well, so it's not going to die halfway through your performance. Right then, if you're looking for a performance video on this, this isn't going to be it. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of what we can do with this item. Most MIDI controllers we're used to seeing play buttons, sample buttons, all these different buttons. This is a very stripped back MIDI controller. It's more like a mixer, because we're actually going to use the iPad as a control surface as well. So this will work on your laptop. Plug it in and use it with Traktor 2.5 and it will work as a MIDI controller. I think you'd possibly need to use that with an X1 because I think you'll find you'll be lacking buttons. But when you plug it into this and use it with the Traktor app, which is available in the App Store, doesn't come with a unit but you can get it from the App Store, this becomes your control surface. So what can we do? We've got channel 1 and channel 2, dedicated filter knobs and effects knob as well, and we've got our EQ, gain, main level output, we've got our headphone volume, and we've got our Q mix as well. These 2 buttons here for your headphones, deck A, deck B. What this knob doubles up as is, at the minute it's a filter, so the filter's on, high and low pass. If I press that button, it goes orange, press that, and now I can engage the effect, which we will select from the iPad. So very, very simple. Oh, we've got our crossfade here. So let's have a look at the app. We've got our music. It's bringing in the music from my iPad, so it's in my iTunes. If I want to load a track, just load it in and it loads up. So we've got a track in there. Let's get it playing. Press play. I'm going to walk through some of the simple things that this does. If we want to do a loop, we just tap and we've got a loop. If I want to reduce that loop, I can just pinch it. If I want to exit the loop, I just press the button and we exit the loop. I've got it set at the minute that if I press this, it'll do me an 8-bar loop. Perfect loop. Very, very simple. If I take that out of there, we've got this little snowflake button here. If press that, notice the track stopped moving, carries on playing now, but I can jump back. Take that off, gets back to where we were. If I want to add a cue point, press the little flag, add a cue point, throw another one in. If I want to access them, if I want to delete them, press the little X and delete them. Very, very simple. What also we've got here is we can scrub right across the track. Still playing, notice how it's still playing. I can take it down to there, or any point in the track. And now, if I press the screen,
check, get phone check.
If I want to scrub back, tap the screen. Notice how it stays in time as well. So if I drop that in where there was a beat, so simple to use, a great interface. Right then, let's have a look at the filter using it from here. So if I press the mode button, put on blue, and we want to engage the filter, press the button, it gets brighter. We've got high and low pass. We go into this section here, you can see I've got the beat matcher set up. So if I want to put the beat matcher on, let's engage. If I want to use the delay in the same manner, and we've got the low pass filter as well. Very simple and just works. So let's get another track going. And I think you can see already how simple and how integrated and it's just a great place to be. I just find it's so tactile. The app works great on its own, but now you add this little mixer in, you can use it in a professional environment. So if we wanted to stop that track, let's load something else in. See the little B, that means that one's playing. So I want to drop it into A. Loads the track up. Let's get it playing. So I think you can see how that becomes a very powerful piece of DJ equipment. Absolutely fantastic. If you want some more information on that, just click the link in the description of this video. It'll take you through to the website. It's the Traktor Control Z1. I've taken this home, couldn't put it down. Unbelievable. That app, awesome. Put it with that bit of kit, fantastic. That's Mike at Phase 1 DJ Store. Thank you.